What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Horsepower Suspects. Jacob, how's everyone's day going today? Got car parts. The minivan, the $300 minivan. Rack and pinion came in today. Let's see what it's looking like, everybody. Here she be. Rock Auto. Yes, sir. Very good quality parts for pretty cheap. See what she's looking like. Nice and pretty brand new. Looking pretty new. I'm liking it. That's why I shop Rock Auto. Everything's looking pretty sturdy with her. Oh yeah. I like it. Should fit. Should fit. Should work. If not, I got till September 15th to send her back. But I've never had to send a part back from Rock Auto yet, so yeah. Let's get her installed, huh? First things first. We need to get tools and a jack out. Nice day in North Carolina. Humid as always. Pittsburgh. Gotta love Pittsburgh. Harbor Freight stuff works when you need it to. Don't forget that. Harbor Freight works. Also, if you haven't yet, now would probably be a very good time to smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and ring that notification bell. Thanks, guys. Let's get this heavy ass jack out. Oh, this thing's heavy. Heavy. Should have gotten an aluminum jack and a damn steel jack. Alright. Let's get her jacked up. So Leona wants to help. Say hi, Leona. Leona, say hi.
Hi, Dish. Mommy. Hey.
Thank you. So what are we supposed to be doing? Huh? What are we supposed to be doing? So we gotta take the rack and pinion off of this, huh? And we gotta put the new one on this one, huh? Huh. So as you guys know, on the last episode, we were gonna start this and then it started raining, so we had to cut it. So, part 2. Smash that subscribe button. As you guys know, on the last episode, we were supposed to change rack and pinion. It started raining, so we had to cut it. Link in description for that video so you can go see. But today, we're gonna show you how to change rack and pinion on an 05 Chevy Venture. Let's do this. So first things first, you want to jack your car up. Then, since I don't have jack stands, got improvise. What's it got to do? Alright, but first thing you want to do, take the tie rod off. This one's stripped, got to get a new one. Take the tie rod off. Go to the other side, do the same thing. So what you want to do, come over here to this good old side. You see that? Yep, you see that? Need a deep well. Next thing you guys want to do after that, and you get those bolts loose, or however, it makes more sense to do it this way actually, but go ahead and get your sway bar link, get that out the way. You got this bolt, that is a 13, both sides, 13, 13. And then you got these 2 bolts right here to take off. Those are both 15 millimeters or 5/8, whichever one. 15 works pretty damn good though. I know, and then it's gonna be, oh yeah, you're using metric, you should be using standard and blah blah. I don't care. I like what I like, you like what you like. But go ahead and get those off. Those are 15 mils. Break them loose. And please everybody, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe. You'd be doing me a very big favor. And comment and tell me what you would also like to see on this channel. I swear, having an impact would be nice sometimes. There she comes. There we go. No, never mind. Just kidding. Ha ha. Joke's on me. There it is. That's what she looked like. Next bolt. Alright, since you've seen me do that side, you have to do the same process. Yep, that bolt right there connects to right there, but you're still watching. Right now would probably be a perfect time to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and comment on what else you would like to see. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Horsepower Suspects. What we're going to be doing today is part 2 on the $300 minivan rack and pinion. So that's what we're going to do today, is part 2. We're going to finish it up and get her out of here since we got nice weather today. And yeah, got some cloud coverage, so let's get her going. All right, before we get started, everybody, I'm gonna have to politely and nicely ask everybody, smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and well, hit that bell button too, so you get notified whenever I post videos. So thank you. So where we left off last week, I believe we were taking the sway bar linkage off before it started raining on us again, which is this part. We're gonna take that off. That's a 13 millimeter or a half. And then we're gonna come in here. Yeah, look at all that grease. We're gonna take these 2 bolts off. We're gonna get the sway bar out. And then we got tie rod off already. And we're gonna get all up in here. Get those lines off. I think there's 2 other lines on the other side we gotta get off. And then it should be ready to come out. So let's get her going, huh? That's pretty self-explanatory. So what we're gonna do, you need, well, what I'm gonna do, what I like to do is I'm gonna get a 13 wrench. I'm gonna put it up here, and then you're gonna need this 13 probably socket with a ratchet for down here, and then yeah, because it's one of them type of bolts, and yeah, it's just, yeah. So let's get her going. Before we get started, everybody, I'm gonna politely ask everybody to smash that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up for this video too, guys. Come on, help me grow. Let's build this channel up, everybody. Tell me what you guys want to see and we'll make it happen. And also, don't forget, hit the bell button, one of these corners, or yeah, whatever. Hit the bell button so you're notified when I get, or not when I get, when I post videos and when I go live. Thank you. And enjoy. 13s. So what we're gonna need is, well, obviously not an 18, we'll put a 13 on here. Get the 3/8 breaker bar and make it easier. 13 with 13, come on, focus in, whatever, it ain't gonna focus. Anyways, that's 13 or a half 3/8 on a little breaker bar, 1 foot breaker bar. Deep well, 3/8 with another 13 on a 3/8 ratchet. Let's get her started. Alright, so we gotta start there. Well, anyways, if you're watching this video still, thank you for watching, and don't forget, please smash that subscribe button. Let's get started. Voila, she's off. Just pull it on out. Don't forget, always remember which way your bushings go. I could throw a couple things off. Nothing serious, but you always want to know which way your bushings go. So don't forget that, everybody. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it off like so, and we're gonna put it all back together how we took it apart, like that, like that, like that, and there you go. So now you know that'll work. Next thing Why did I don't know why it was so dark right there. No idea. Let's get the sway bar kind of up and out of the way. Kind of just dangle it there. Yeah, I know. Before people say anything, I know I need to get a new one. Before anybody says, oh, you can't put your tie rods back on like that. I know. You ain't got to tell me. I'm getting new ones. Then you want to come here. See these two bolts right there? Yep. Oh, I probably should get a new one of these too, huh, guys? We'll order another one of them. But see these bolts right there? This one and this one got to come off. Those be 15 millimeters, everybody. So let's get those off. Alright everybody, now that we got sway bar out, now comes time to start unbolting the rack and pinion. It should be, let's just get underneath it here and show you. Alrighty. Here's that bolt. Gonna be one on the other side too. And then that one right there. And then after that, we got to undo both these lines right here. And then that should be it to get this puppy out of here. So the other one is literally right here. Right here. Let's get them off. Now we got those bolts out. That one and that one. We want to take this little plate off. You got a bolt right there. Right there. Those are 10 millimeters. Want to take that little plate off just cause it's really and just in the way. Take that off, and then you want to start on your lines. Let's do it.